Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your YNAB account to a credit card. Keep watching the video till the end to link your credit card to the Wave account. Firstly, open your Wave application. The home page of YNAB will appear on the screen. Click on the Account option. On the next page, tap on Add Account. Among the two options displayed, click on Link. Enter a nickname and select your account type, which is a credit card with a current account balance, and tap on Next. Select your plan to pay it off over time or at once and click on Next. Choose the month and year when you want to pay it off and tap on Next. A category for your credit card payment will be created on your budget. Click on Next, and then tap on Done. Now you can see the credit card payment linked with your YNAB app on the home page. This is how you can link a credit card with your YNAB account quickly and easily in just a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.